Alright, so off camera, it's been probably about an hour since I ended the last video, and I've actually got it uploaded already. Wow, that quick. Amazing what you can do with your phone. But as you can tell, I have started the process of looming this. I've got each branch wrapped. Alright, this is the truck end of the pigtail, and this is the light end. So, but yes, I have harnessed, I have wrapped each leg, passenger, driver, all the way up here, and should be ready to go on the truck now. I have used the multimeter and I've tested continuity across all circuits, and I got good tone and about 1 to 2 milliohms on average. So I think we'll be good. I think this is going to show good, and then so this is just kind of an update. I am going to show how to put all that stuff on while I'm in here for this video, so that way it's not too short. And then I'll end it off by showing how to put it in there. If I end up doing it during the day, it just all depends. It's about 3:45 in the morning, Mountain Standard Time. No, Mountain Daylight Time, sorry. We're in Daylight Savings Time right now, so it's daylight time. But it's still 3:45 in the morning. And I haven't actually seen a whole lot in a light show out there, just when I first started recording the last video. But it's coming along great. Again, not the most ideal repair and not my best work. I've done a lot better, but on the Ford harness I will show you a lot better work than this. But this is a far cry and a hell of a lot better than it was when I pulled it out. That I will say. It looks a lot better. So it's definitely safer than it was. And that's what counts, is safety. So alright, so I spent the last 15 minutes. I wrapped it in the split loom, and then I actually wrapped the split loom in wire tape. And the only reason why I did that is because when I started stripping this down so I can look at the wires, and I took the old split loom off, the old split loom had a lot of dirt, rocks, and other road grime and debris up in there. And that's obviously a big cause of a lot of the rust and a lot of the rusty connections that we fixed on this is because of that. So this brown wire here, I think originally it was actually supposed to be the for the license plate light, so I'm going to repurpose it back to its original purpose, the license plate light. And then I will add some split loom to this up to here and wrap it as well, but it's getting pretty late and I'm getting ready to call it a night. So I'll be going up under the truck sometime, I don't know. I might do it tonight. I don't know. Just depends. I'm going to take a bit of a break though, and but go up under there, and it's pretty self-explanatory. Reverse, driving, and they're all labeled. Turn signal left and turn signal right. That's all I have to do. So I'm really not that far away from getting this thing done, but for those of you who don't know, and I haven't seen a whole lot of videos of people doing this, but to wrap this in split loom, and you gotta really have two hands for this, but as you take and you open it up, hence the reason why they call it split loom. You take and open it up, and you just start running your wires through it, pushing your wires in as you're going down, and just kind of move along like that. And if I had somebody here to hold the camera, I'd show y'all honestly how that goes in. But it took me about 10 minutes to go from one light one set of lights across to the other set of lights with wrapping it in tape. So these wires are pretty well protected at this point, other than what I have exposed up here, which is going to go through the bed and up to the light fixtures. And the only reason why I have these exposed is because up in that area they're pretty well protected. I don't think they need to be wrapped. They weren't wrapped when I took them out, so I don't see any reason to wrap them. And in case we're having to do some diagnostics and stuff, I'd rather be able to keep the colors of the wires visible for serviceability. So did that on both ends, and then I'll get the other wrapped up, and then like I said, due to time restraints, I might not film putting it up in the truck or putting the truck back together, but I will probably show the end result. So, but that's pretty much it for this. Once I get this up in the truck, though, I will pull these out, take that contact cleaner, get it all cleaned out, so that way these bulbs work. But again, tested multiple times, circuits are good. I'm going to test it one final time before I take it over to the truck and put it in, though, just to ensure that nothing's come loose while wrapping it. And then we'll be set. If anything, I might probably just put this on the front end of putting it back in there and just combine the videos. I don't know. We'll see when I download them.